Everyone's doing it. Let's talk about our specials for the holiday season. We have our Cyber Monday, our Black Friday, our holiday season in general. So as you know, Healthy Hydration has the best hydrogen water products over there. You got to check it out. Hydrogen water is great for your health. It helps you with oxidative stress and inflammation, which is linked to every single disease process. So just by drinking water, you can help your body overcome oxidative stress and inflammation. More powerful than vitamin C. You could not eat enough fruits and vegetables in a day to get the equivalent of 1 glass of this water. Very powerful. Best thing you can do for your health. So what we've got in store for you is we have our Hydra Home Unit Bundle pack. So this is our Hydra Home Unit. It has ozone water, it has hydrogen water, it has warm water for putting your feet, making a foot bath, washing your face. This technology is new to the market, so you're not going to have the mold and bacteria building up like you would in the Alkaline technology, and there's no cleaning and maintenance other than just pushing a button. So it's going to save you a lot in the maintenance alone. We also give you a pre-filter with it. So when you spend over $5,000 right now through the end of December, you're going to receive a bundle pack complimentary. So this is valued at $24.95. You get that for free when you spend over $5,000. So for those of you that do have alkaline water technology, we do have our trade-up program. Save $2,000 off the purchase of our whole house bundle pack. So this whole house bundle pack is around $6,995. You get $2,000 off. Now this unit sits in your garage or perhaps in your laundry room, and it filters your whole home. And it's also conditioning it, so you don't have to have the salt in the unit. It doesn't backwash, there's no power. It sits there for 5 years. We guarantee it for a lifetime. The tank and the media is 5 years. After 5 years, you don't need a whole new system, you just need new media, which is around $300 to $500 to do so. So you go ahead and get this, and then you're gonna get a complimentary Hydra Home Unit Bundle Pack, which includes also our disinfecting spray. This is hypochlorous acid. It's stronger than bleach, and it is not toxic. We have our supplement, which is recommended by the #1 professor in the world, Professor Oda, and it's not something you put in water. You take this internally, and it helps your own bacteria make hydrogen. So if you do this in combo with the water, you're going to be really excited. Your body's going to love you even more. We have our spa. This is our age-less spa. This goes in the shower with you. And the water goes through beads that are hydrogen beads. There's minerals in there for your skin, and it's also got KDF filter media, so it helps reduce the chlorine in the water. This doesn't replace the whole house water system, but it adds to it. So this is great for your skin. It helps your skin make collagen, which is awesome. And then of course you're going to get our Peak H2. So this is our newest bottle on the market, and it makes high production of hydrogen. And all you gotta do is just push a button. And then there's a release valve at the top that lets the gas out, and it has been a staple to our customer success. So all of these great things, we have more coming to you as well, and we will have a new video on that. So make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that bell for notifications. And if you haven't already signed up to be an affiliate, you can write these off as a tax benefit, a tax deduction. So in that words, it's gonna cost you more not to own this than to own this. Cheers, friends. We'll see you in the new year.